Hook 'em in the mouth. Look at your boy. The fuck? Hook 'em in the mouth. Oh, it's a little joker. It's a little joker. Get your, oh, he's trying to get stuck. He's trying to get stuck. He ain't trying, he is, all right. Nice little jump for me. We got us another little Senko bass. He got his mouth straight open. Oh, no wonder, because I hooked him through the eyeball. There we go, y'all. He's so big, isn't he? He's so big. Look at it. He said, "Oh, that shit hurt." I said, "That shit hurt. Let me go. Let me go, you fool. Let me go, you fool." All right, man. Get on out of here. Y'all see him. Nice little pretty Senko bass. Got them little rattlesnake patterns. Nice little Florida pond bass. Get your little ass out of here. He was a nice little pond bass out here in the bass pond trying to hook something in the mouth. And we did with this Senko. I got two baits. I got the Senko and then I got that little thing right there. That little thing right there. It's a little jerk bait. But seemed to want to bite the Senko. I've been throwing that all day. But they want this. They don't want the fish. They want the worm. Holla at your boy. Hook 'em in the mouth. We hooked up on something large. Something large. Well, he's larger than what we had. Get your ass over here sideways. Get your 2 or 3 pounder. Nah, he's about a 2 pounder. I seen him flicking over there. I seen him flicking, y'all. I seen him. Your hook master got him. Your hook. Ooh, we almost lost that ass. All right. Yeah, baby. He's about a good 2 pounder. Oh yeah, he said he's a 2 pounder. Let me tell you something about me. I'm 2 pounds or better. And if you don't know, now you know. Holla at ya boy. Hit subscribe for Hook 'em in the Mouth kayak fishing. Even though he's hooking us bass in the mouth today. So go ahead, hit subscribe, hit like, hit that bell so you can see some more bass talking action. Holla at ya boy. Boy. Oh, there's another one over there. We need to get this back in the water. We're getting back in the water. He said, "Let my ass go, you goofy son of a fish." He's up out of there. We got us another 2 pounder. We got us a 2 pounder out this mug. Seen him flicking over there, and I hooked him in the mouth. So holla at ya boy. Hit. We hooked up, y'all. We hooked up. It might be another lady. No, it ain't a lady. It's a troutski. It's a troutski. All right, y'all. We ain't got no keeper off in the boat, though. Come on, dude. Get that up out you. There he is. Another trout. And I hooked him in that fang mouth. Holla at ya ball. We found. Yeah, it was a trout. Hook 'em in the mouth. We got us practice tarpon, boy. Pulling, dragging everything. He's a nice size one. He's running right to me. Look at that joker. Damn. Hey y'all, that's that practice tarpon for that ass. Right there. These big jokers, slimy jokers. This here the tarpon. The lady fish, but I call them the practice tarpon. Holla at your bud. We hooked up, we doubled up out this summer. The fuck I got? I got a nice sized trout that just came in like he wasn't shit. But you ain't keeper. You ain't keeper. But he ain't a keeper. He got a lot of spots. We got the wind coming and we hooking him in the mouth. Double up, baby. GoPro stop recording. Oh, I forgot. I got that cheap bullshit. They out here in the middle, huh? These seem to be a little bit bigger. Yeah. Uh-oh, I just got thumped. There he goes again, thump. Hook him in the mouth. Perfect. We got another one. We doubled. Oh, he's a nice one. Get your ass up in here, boy. You see me, you see how we get him flicking in this mug? Hooked him so good, he's drumming. For those that don't know, these are drum, y'all. Oh, you bit my finger, you asshole. He gave me a shot. Little son of a gun, I told you to hurry up. Gave you a needle shot for your slowness. Sucker. Well, get on out of here. Oh, you hooked? Boy, we bringing them in left and right, hooking them in the mouth. Perfect. Hook them in the mouth. Look at your boy.